Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. I think you saw the machine, what kind of abnormal noise coming from the machine. Today my topic is the same machine, a Samsung brand top loading washing machine. While spinning time making abnormal noise, it is huge abnormal noise actually. Customer informed to us he cannot stay at home because of that much noise coming from the machine. Now I'm going to troubleshoot the problem. Now I'm going to repair the machine and we will go to the next step and we will check. Now I already given power connection. Again I'm selecting spin cycle. Now start the machine. Now through the display it's showing 10 minutes remaining. That's been direct spin I selected already. Drain motor already, drain pump, everything's working. Now start to rotate the drum. From the beginning actually it's not making loud noise. With the fabric it's making huge noise. Now I already given power connection. Again I'm selecting spin cycle. Now start the machine. Now through the display it's showing 10 minutes remaining. That's been direct spin I selected already. Remaining showing here from now starting. You can hear the noise. I'm suspecting actually drum hub, inner drum hub broken I think. That's why it's making loud noise. It's not related with the dampers or spring suspension. Now we have to remove the pulsator first and the inner drum we have to check. After that only we can identify what is the exactly problem, from where it's making abnormal noise. Now you can hear the noise. Now I will shut down the machine. It is very dangerous actually. Now, for suppose we will remove the pulsator. After that we can identify if it is found same problem, drum hub broken. We have to remove the inner drum, and for suppose we will remove the pulsator. We have to remove this pulsator cup here. Here one lock you can see. Here like that will come. After that we have to use number 10 T-socket. Now we have to remove the pulsator nut here. Now we can take it out. Yes, it is pulsator is no issue, but I'm suspecting here this one only. This hub we have to remove and check. After that we can identify. First suppose we will remove the top cover. After that we can identify. We have to remove the top cover set. After that we can identify. We have to remove the top cover, top ring, everything. After that we can understand. Now we will remove the top panel area. After that we have to remove the top ring. We will go to the next step. Here we have to remove this two lock, and after that here two screws are here. After that we have to remove the back of the machine. Having two screws are here. After removing back cover, we can disconnect the pressure sensor hose. Yes, now we can release this one, pressure sensor hose. Now here we can remove the release here drain pump connectors. Both connectors we have to remove. Now it's okay. Here earth wire also we have to remove. Now we can take it up, top cover. Everything here we disconnected already. Now we can keep like that, very careful. After that we can release here this. You can see here this top ring, actually top ring. All the screws, the 2-3 screws are gone. It is fell down. You can see here. And we will start the machine again. I will start as same before, direct spin cycle. Now we can understand from where it came noise. Now machine already start. You can see here it is alignment. It is already gone. That's why its tub ring came out, because it's touch inner drum touch with the tub ring. Because of that it's gone already. Screws also. This is now sure it is tub already, tub hub already gone, otherwise shaft. We are calling for the tub hub. Actually tub hub gone, because of that only making abnormal noise. Now we can understand. It is too much bubbling. Now it's increasing RPM. Now we can understand. Now I got the problem. Now we have to remove the inner drum. After that we have to take it out tub, and it's sure it is damaged. This tub hub, we have to replace the tub hub. After that our problem will get solved. Now we have to remove the first tub ring. After that here tub nut we will remove and we will check. Only 2 screws are remaining. Any other screws are already gone. That's mean because of the huge vibrate, all the screws are fell down. Now we can see, you can see here this one also, it's too much damage. But no worry, we can use that one. It's not totally damaged. Here you can see inner drum also here, because of the alignment, because of the unbalance, it's gone already. Now we have to remove the tub hub. After that we can understand. Here 38 nut we have to clean first. Now I already cleaned the area. You can see here nut, it is 38 number. Now I'm going to remove this one. Now it is tight little bit. We have to use hammer or something. Okay, now it's okay. Now we can take it out. Also that washer also I have to take. Here one washer, you can see. That one also already gone. Now we have to take it out. Now we can take it out. It's easy for us. You can see here. Now dear friends, you can see here, this one already gone, that's why it's making huge noise. We will clean first, after that we can understand. Now I'm going to replace new hub. Because of that, now old one, it is damaged already, we have to remove. It is 6 bolt, it will come. You can see I already removed old one. This is damaged actually. You can see here this groove already is also gone. Because of that, this one while spinning time making vibrate. Now I have to replace the new one. After that our problem will get resolved. I have to clean again. Now I'm going to fix a new hub, a drum hub. Already cleaned the tub, outer, also inner drum also. Now I have to fix new tub, hub. Here I already cleaned. Now what I'm going to do, this is the new one. Now I'm going to fix new one, and this is the new tub, hub. Now what I'm going to do, I will fix here first. After that we will fix inner drum. Now I will fix here. I have to fix properly. Now it's okay. Now already mounted. Now we will fix inner drum. Now we can fix inner drum properly. We have to mount properly. After that, all the screw or nut. What I'm going to do, I will fix a new nut also, because that already while we are going to remove all the nuts got damaged. Because of that, I'm going to fix this one also, stainless steel nut with the washer. I will fix. It's like that. Now I already fixed all the nut with the tub hub. Now I have to fix this washer, and after that we have to tight properly. This is 38 number nut. We have to fix properly this one. We have to tight properly this nut, otherwise this will happen as same before. Now it's okay. We already tight. Now I'm going to fix tub ring also, tub cover, otherwise tub ring. Before here no screws, actually that screw mount already it came bigger. Because of that we have to change the screw also, because the same screw we cannot fix. Now I already fix everything. That means I fix already tub ring also. Now I will do one thing as same before. I will check one cycle direct spin like this. It is after that we can finish our job. If it is not making noise again, it should actually definitely should work properly without any abnormal noise. Now I will select again. I already given power connection. I will select again direct spin cycle. Door not closed properly. And we will check. Now we can check it is working or not properly. If it is working, we can complete our job. Maximum while increasing RPM at the same time only making abnormal noise, but now not possible to make any abnormal noise. Now it should be okay. Anyway, we will check once. After that we can complete our job. Now you can see dear, it's increasing RPM, but still not making any abnormal noise. Now it's still showing, it is showing 11 minutes. Now you can see before it's balancing, actually it is abnormal. Now you can see tub cover, tub ring and inner drum. It space already having the same space while running time. Now it is maximum RPM. It is 1000 RPM having this machine. Now still not making any abnormal noise. Now our job already completed. Now I have to fix pulsator and as same before top cover with the panel everything. After that our job will be complete. Now I will show you again. Now it is having remaining time only 6 minutes with the display. Now it's not making any abnormal noise. I will wait until finish this cycle. After that I can complete my video also. I can complete my job also. Now you can see only 4 minutes remaining. Still not making any abnormal noise. Now 100% sure it's not making any abnormal noise. It's not make any abnormal noise from the machine. Now time already it's showing here only 2 minutes remaining. Now already completed my job. I have to fix only pulsator and top cover only. Now it is 100% sure it is okay. Now it's same like that. Any abnormal noise occurring, for suppose we have to check the dampers, otherwise springs. Also we have to check the tub ring, and next step only we have to check the hub, inner drum hub. Now we found problem, the drum hub already replaced. After that our problem already resolved. Now we can hand over to the customer without any problem. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.